Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials. Confirm your phone number and that your carrier voicemail is active because Google Dialer uses carrier voicemail by default. Next, open the Google Dialer app and tap the three-dot menu or More button. This is where voicemail settings live. Once you tap Settings, select Voicemail to begin. You're doing this now to avoid later rework. It routes prompts to the correct carrier system and prepares your phone for visual voicemail if available. Once done, enable visual voicemail if your carrier supports it and grant microphone and storage permissions so recordings save correctly. Make sure the voicemail number is correct. Either enter the carrier's number manually or allow automatic detection. This ensures calls forward to the right mailbox. Then, tap Voicemail Greeting to record or upload a custom message. Choose something concise and clear. You do this to make sure callers hear the right info, and so saved messages appear in the Dialer app. To finish, test the setup by calling your number from another device and confirm your greeting and that a voicemail appears in the app. If messages don't show, toggle visual voicemail off and on, or re-enter the voicemail number. This often resets carrier forwarding. If you still see issues, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning and call forwarding settings. One key tip: if calls go straight to a generic voice system, the carrier voicemail number may be incorrect. Check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.